Alright, we're in doing some commercial carpet. Any lab test now. We've done small office back there. We've done these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks out. So that block right there is clean. That block there is not. So you can actually see where I've stopped. So we got this front area here. It's not a whole lot of carpet, but front area here, back this hallway. 100-foot run. Put out some fans. There's not a whole lot of plugs, but we'll get it dried up as quick as we can. And oh, by the way, I'm done with Olmec Reflections. You can give us a call if you need any commercial carpet clean. 513-817-1700. Check us out on Facebook, website, all that social media stuff. And you can give us a call. We'll get you taken care of. Thanks. See you later.